welcome. Now we'll start.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me huge pleasure to wish a warm welcome on behalf of
Okay.
our college, MSP Mandal, Yashwantrao Chauhan College, Ambejogai,
Join me,
Press
Karna.
Club, all of us for today's national seminar on the topic Recent Career Opportunity in Zoology. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome and introduce our respectable guest for today's seminar, Dr. Kiran Shilewar sir and Dr. Lakhe sir, to share their experiences and for valuable guidance for upcoming zoology aspirants. Before proceeding further, I request our respected and honorable principal, Dr. Shivdas Sirsat sir, to give welcome address. Please welcome Honorable Dr. Shivdas Sirsat sir.
Namaste. Good
Namaste,
morning,
sir.
everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Firstly, of all, I salute sacred memory of Vinayak Ravji Patil, the founder member of Marathwada Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, and late Yashwantrao Chauhan. Today, I am very happy to inaugurate the one-day national level seminar on recent career opportunities in zoology organized by Zoology Department and IQAC. I am grateful to Honorable MLA Sri Prakash Dada Solanki and General Secretary Honorable MLC Satish Bhau Chavan, Marathwada Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, and the office bearers of all organizations have given their best wishes for this seminar. Today, our guest of honor and keynote address of this seminar, Honorable Dr. Kiran Silewar sir, Department of Fisheries Science, Science College, Nanded from Maharashtra. Other resource persons, my friends and colleague, Professor Dr. Ashok Lakhe, Head Department of Zoology, Rajmata Jijo Mahavidyalay, Kille Dharur. My colleague, Vice Principal Dr. Ramesh Shinde and Mr. Swapnil Aunde, Organizing Committee, Professor Jadhav, Professor Vidya Solanke, IQAC Coordinator Dr. M.S. Rajpankhe, Technical Supporter Mr. Ali and Mr. Asif Sheikh. I have an immense pleasure to organize this event for the benefit of new breeding scientists, research scholars, and faculty and students. Dear participants, today's seminar is very important. A zoology degree opens doors to diverse careers in animal related fields, including research, conservation, education, and healthcare. Specific job roles include zoologist, wildlife biologist, veterinarian, zookeeper, animal behaviorist, and more. Further specialization through advanced degree can lead to role like marine biologist, ecologist, or conservation scientist. Similarly, there are career opportunities in various competitive exams. Lastly, I appeal to participants to be online throughout these events and take the benefit of the deliberation from experts. I hope that there will be fruitful discussions in this seminar. Thank you once again, one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. It's really proud and honor for our college to organize this program under guidance of respected principal sir. Today's eminent guest, Dr. Kiran Shilevar sir and Dr. Ashok Lakhe sir. Now, I request Dr. Rajpanke sir, IPSC coordinator, to introduce our today's guest, Dr. Kiran Shilevar sir. Please welcome Dr. Rajpanke sir to introduce Dr. Kiran Shilevar sir.
Uh, Thank you, Solanke madam. It really gives me great pleasure to introduce the person who is going to give keynote address to this national seminar organized by Department of Zoology. Dear friends, from last few years, we have been continuously witnessing national and international seminars focusing on the current affairs and the issues related to certain subjects. Fishery science, or one of the branches of zoology, is nowadays craze for the students of science to learn. Honorable Kiran Shilevar sir is doctorate in this typical subject. He has been teaching fishery science at Science College, Nanded, and has been working as head department. To his credit, there are more than 48 research papers published at international and national level. Let me also tell you that he has been continuously rendering very honest services as a teacher to the students of Science College Nanded from last 13 years at UG level and 10 years to PG level. So he is UG and PG teacher in his typical subject. Not only that, he is a scholar in the field of research. He has been guiding the research fellows from last few years. 5 students have done PhD under his guidance. 2 of them are honored by Swami Ramanand Tirth Vidyapit, the PhD degree, and 3 of them are still doing the research work. It's also a great Swami Ramanand Tirth University. It also is a matter of pride to say that he has published 12 articles in various newspapers. So writing in newspapers is certainly a different work, and writing through research journals is a disciplined research work that he has been continuously contributing from last few years. 13 years research experience, 13 years teaching experience at UG, PG, and giving valuable contribution in designing the syllabus of his university is a matter of pride. So for our students and the participants who are there with us in this journey of research work, in this journey of this intellectual feast organized by Yashwantrao Chauhan College, will be very happy for us to listen from Dr. Kiran Shilevar sir on behalf of IQAC of Yashwantrao Chauhan College and honorable principal and dignitaries of the MSP Mandal. I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. Kiran Shilevar sir to this national seminar organized by Yashwantrao Chauhan College. Thank you. Over to you, Vidya Solanki madam.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Now, I invite our today's honorable guest, Dr. Kiran Shilevar sir, to guide us and to share their experience in career opportunity in zoology. So please welcome Dr. Shilevar sir. Please welcome sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Thank you, principal, sir. Thank you, Lakhe, sir. You the opportunity for the national conference. Before that, I will share my PPT. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Visible होता है ना, ma'am?
Yeah, हो आहे sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all of you. Already given my biodata also. Myself, Dr. Kiran Shileva, Head Department of Fishery Science, Science College, Nanded. The concept of our conference, that is the recent career opportunity in zoology. I would like to say, all are you are the higher dignitary. One sentence is add, that is the specialization in fishery in our college also, university, and more colleges related to the SRTMU. After the completion of graduation, there are the more opportunity in zoology also and fishery also. One opportunity is that specialization fishery. After the completion of graduation, you are taking in the MSc first year and second year. At the second year, that is the two paper for fishery science. Today the topic, that is the riverine fishery, especially Godavari River. My project is also completed and submitted to SRTMU. Already I work on river fishery and different type of fishes I found in the river. Especially I would like to say it is for research student also, for researcher also, and those who have for the purpose of knowledge, because we are know the largest river system in our Maharashtra, not only in the Maharashtra and India also. The river Godavari, what is the importance and which type of fishes I found in the project and in my research also. In India, five major river system we know very well. That is the Ganga river system, Brahmaputra river system, Indus river system, East Coast river system, and the West Coast river system. Within that, the East Coast river system. In the East Coast river system, that is the Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Today, my ma'am,
No, sir.
audible, ma'am.
Yes, audible.
Today, the topic is that is the riverine, Godavari riverine fishery. First of all, I will explain about that the river is originated from Trimbakeshwar, that is the Nasik, and all are the images we are collected from Nasik and where the river is flow. Especially, I would like to say the river system of Godavari. Before the participant, when sentence is somewhat different, before the participant in Andhra Pradesh, that is it flow two state, that is Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. After partition, it divide in three state: Godavari river flow, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. It is the main view, it is the main point of view, because the Godavari River is very famous in Marathwada also. Most of the participants and most of the faculties are we are belonging from the Marathwada. The detailed study and the detail about the fishery science in river Godavari already submitted in the SITMU Nanded. Total length, if you compare the East Coast river system, that is Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri river, its total length that is 6,435 kilometer. Especially of our Godavari river, 1440 kilometer, 1440 total length of Godavari river. It originated from Nasik, Trimbakeshwar, and it flow some important district I would like to say that our Sambhajinagar, Nanded, Parbhani, and it enter into the Andhra Pradesh or the Telangana. Some images of Brahmagiri Hills were collected at the time of my project. It is a place where the fishermen catching the fishes. The river Godavari, already I told, every river we know very well. It lastly end into the Bay of Bengal or sea water. Godavari river is originated from Trimbakeshwar, already I told. It covers the three states, Maharashtra, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The last part of the river of Godavari, that is, some people told that is the Rajmundra, and in some books it refers that the Rajmundri. The difference of depending upon the language. And lastly, it enters into the Bay of Bengal. Three state, within the three state, if you compare, especially of our Maharashtra, it runs near about 693 kilometer in our Maharashtra, and remaining whatever it may be the 690 or 695, it run in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Very important thing. And one thing I would like to say, how the tributaries of river Godavari, that is, we know very well about the Purna, Manar, Venaganga, Indrayani, and all are the tributaries of river Godavari. Next one, the main reservoir or the dams, what can we say, which are constructed on river Godavari from Nasik up to the Rajmundri. Nasik, the part of the Maharashtra, and Rajmundri or the Rajmundra is the part of the Andhra Pradesh. Gangapur Dam, which are near the Nasik. Next one, Nath Sagar, Sambhajinagar. Next one, Vishnupuri, that's I am belonging from the Nanded. They have the different name also, Shankar Jalashay. The last dam, that is the Pochampar Dam, which are in near Nizamabad. The last two main districts, that is the Bhadrachalam and Rajmundri, that is the Domleshwaram and Vidyavedam, which are the dam which are constructed on river Godavari. What I am saying, because all the fishes which can be I observe, which are collected from all places, not only from the river, we are collected from dam also, in the morning, in the evening, at the time of project time. But which are the fishes? More fishes and different type of fishes I got in dams also and rivers also. It is the main point. Some images are collected at the time of project from river Godavari. It is the place of Nanded. Some photo from the Nasik, some from Rajmundri. That is the important slide. At the time of research, at the time of collection of fishes, we took the help of local fishermen. The fishermen are collected in the morning fishes with the help of gill net. They set the gill net on two sides, from the left side and from the right side, and they insert the gill in the river at the stagnant water. Not in the month of June, July, because there is the more flood in river Nasik, Nanded, and all places. After the month of August or September, the catching place they can start with the help of gill net, and sometime they can also use dragnet also. It is the thermocol. With the help of thermocol, they can fishing and they can easily catch the fishes. After the collection of fishes, they can keep the fishes into this local fishermen's. It is about the introduction of Godavari River. Already I told it is originated from the Nasik and some state, and lastly it enters into the Andhra Pradesh, and lastly Bay of Bengals. We know very well about the fishes are very important for the human beings, vitamin C and vitamin D, and all these things. It's very essential in regular diet also. Catching method. With the help of tarfa, the fishermen are catching the fishes with the help of gill net and dragnet also. This is the triangular net. One process is also I found in Andhra Pradesh. They are catches where the water is stagnant in month of October, November. They can catch the fishes with the help of triangular net also. It is very easy to catch the fishes. Now, the which fishes are present is very important in the river Godavari. One by one, I will explain in shortly. Firstly, about the fish, that is the katla fish, very important fish. It is found in our Maharashtra also, Telangana also, and Andhra Pradesh also. It means that it flow in every place of our river Godavari. All are the characters and the fin formula and the economic importance. Economic importance is that it is very beneficial for human being also, and our topic is also related that career opportunities in our zoology. I would like to say, if we culture the fish of katla, it is a very fast growth rate in the Indian major crops. With the help of Krushi Sahayak, in every taluka there is a Krushi Sahayak. With the help of Krushi Sahayak, the government gives you the subsidy about the 60 to 70%. Those who have the land 1.5 or 2 acre, with the help of government, because government solved to unemployment problem. This is also the one of the opportunity, because in the BSc third year they have the subject pisciculture and aquaculture. With the help of this, you can culture the fishes in your land with the help of government. Katla is a very important fish, very fast growth rate fish within the Indian major crops. Within 2 year or within 1.5 year, it grows about the 1.5 kg. Already I given the Akashwani Kendra all the for the beneficial for the farmers. They know very well. They don't know about all the schemes, and government have the many and many schemes. Central government also give the subsidy. Those who have the land is important. With the help of Krushi Sahayak, you can take the benefit for the culture of fishes. This is the katla fish I found in every state. The next, that is Labio rohita. Shortly, I prepared the PPT. Within the Labio rohita, I would like to say Labio kalbaso is also found in river Godavari, place of Nasik. Already I told more and more dam constructed on river Godavari, that is Gangapur, Nath Sagar, Shankar Jalashay. Within that, the Labio kalbaso is mostly found in Ganga Sagar, Nath Sagar Dam. Especially, we are belonging from the Nanded. That's why I would like to say Labio rohita and Labio kalbasu fish is found in this place. About the Rajmundri, about the few of places I found the Libio Kalbasu, but mostly it is found in our especially Maharashtra, Libio Ruta and Libio Kalbasu. It is also the one of example of Indian major carps. That is three fishes from river Godavari. Next fish, that is third example from the Indian major carps, that is the Sirinus mrigala. One fish in this family, that is the Sirinus rebba, it is found in the border of our Andhra Pradesh. Already I told in near about Bhadrachalam, in the place of Bhadrachalam where the river is flow, in the month of October, November, near about 250 gram of Sirinus rebba, I found that. I'm not mentioning in the PPT, but as per my knowledge, Cygnus migala is also found in our Maharashtra, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. But Cygnus reba is found in, especially near the Rajmundra, in between the Rajmundra and Bhadrachalam. Two species. This is the Libio colbasu, already I told. Two species, that is Libio colbasu, Libio rohita. This one is the Mistus cymbalus armatus. They have the different name in the different places, Bam, Wam, Dori, and different, it is depending upon the fisherman, depending upon the state, depending upon the area also. Look like a snake. Mostly it is found in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and few places of our, especially Maharashtra, Parbani, Pochampar Dam. It is found mostly in Pochampar Dam in premises. Next one, that is the Rohiti Kotio. It is very small fish, near about 30 centimeter and above, found in every places. Especially, I would like to say that is the exotic fish. We know very well exotic fish. Those fishes are which are introduced in India for the commercial purpose in 1968, 1967, and 1963 for the purpose of commercial important. Because Cyprinus carpo is the not a native of India. It is a exotic fish. It is transplanted in India for the commercial purpose. That is the one example, Cyprinus carpo. It is also found in our river, especially in Nasik and our Shangar Jalaisha also. Now it is famous common carp, fast growth rate, and breeding is also yearly 2 times, month of December and month of June also. It is also found in our river Godavari. Mr. Scavaceous, one of the family from the Mr. Singala, local name that is Katarna, and all these things. Predator fish near about 150 rupees per kg in every market, plus minus 150, 170, 180. Also, I observe, I research the rate also of the fishes in different places in different state also. Little bit different in our Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Maharashtra. 20 to 25 rupees different. Mr. Singala, it is also the predator fish near about 200 to 250. It is found in the place of Maharashtra also and Telangana also. What I'm repeating is that because most of fishes found in Maharashtra, most of fishes in Telangana, and most of fishes in Andhra Pradesh, because the river is the same. But particular some fishes, that is the Mr. Cymbalus armatus, it is also found in the Pochampar Dam. We are belonging from the Nizamabad side in the Telangana. Some fishes, that is Katla, is found in all over the river Godavari. It is the speciality of the species which are found in so and so place. Maybe may not be for the purpose of breeding, maybe may not be for the purpose of food. All these things. This is the Clarius batrachus. I think it is surprise to all of you because government of Maharashtra ban on this fish. But frankly, I would like to say the fish is also found in our river Godavari, especially from Pochampar Dam in our market. Frankly, I would like to say in Nanded also, the fisherman selling this fish. Totally 1.5 year government of Maharashtra ban on this fish because if you take in the meals or in the food maybe or may not be possible of cancer. That's why the government of Maharashtra ban on Claris beverages. It is also called in Marathi Magur. Especially I found in Pochampad. That is the channa. Two type of species is also found, channa punctatus and channa marrolis also. Very tasty fish and very beneficial for human being also. Speciality of channa fish, where the pH is 6.5 to 7 or 7.5, it is mostly found in that place. I also observe about the physicochemical parameters also of every different places, of especially the reservoir in Puchappa Dam, Nathsagar, Rajmundri, that is Doleshwaram. All I found the physicochemical parameters also. The channa found in different places in Telangana also, Andhra Pradesh also, and Maharashtra also. But especially it is mostly found in Maharashtra. That is channa punctatus and channa marrolis. It is the Notopterus notopterus. They have the two species. Two species is also found in our river. Notopterus and Notopterus chitala. It is also called in Marathi, that is Chambari, Chapti, Patula. It is depending upon our state, upon language also. Very cheap, 150 to 200 rupees kg. Frankly, I would like to say that my PhD is also completely on this biology of Notopterus. It is a predator fish. Especially it found only in Maharashtra place and last of border Bhadrachalam. Few species I found in Bhadrachalam also. Velaguattu, it is also a predator fish found in three states: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Maharashtra. Some fishes have the speciality, maybe or may not be depending upon the water or depending upon the surrounding place. They are found mostly on this particular place. That is Clarius Glassogobius guris. One thing I would like to say, the new research of my dad's project, that is Glassogobius guris. Why? Because the Glassogobius guris is the fish, is a brackish water fish. Already I told in the starting place, that is the every river add in the sea water or the marine water. Godavari river end, the point of end, that is the Rajmundri, end into the Bay of Bengal. In between Rajmundri and Bay of Bengal, the place where the brackish water is found, we are collected the fishes, that is Glassogobius guris. Glassogobius guris have the habit in fresh water, brackish water, marine water. Habitat of the Glassogobius guris. Sometimes it is also found in Andhra Pradesh also. Because most of fishes of Glassogobius guris, it is a predator fish, migratory fish. It is migrate from fresh water to marine water to fresh water, and sometimes it is found in brackish water also. Now the new thing I found in the research. Hemipharyngeid or mola. It is also a new fish. It is found especially in our Gangapur dam and Pochampar dam. Look like a cutla structure, but not a cutla. It is a hemipharyngeid mola, 220 to 250 rupees per kg. Most of people are not identify this fish. That time the fisherman is tell or told that it is a cutla, but it is not a cutla. It is hemipharyngeid mola. With the help of day value, with the help of all books, we observe the fishes and identify also. Chelapula. It is also found in Pochampar Dam. Few of species is found in Nathsagar and Nanded place and Parvani place. 150 to 200 rupees kg. Rasbora dancanius. It is also belonging from the Sipni carpio, carp fish, near about 250 rupees per kg. Thanesis sankur, look like a silver carp, but it is not a silver carp. It is Thanesis sankol. It is found in our especially Telangana. Punctius sarana, two species, that is Punctius sarana and Punctius ticto. Two species are found mostly in our Nanded, Parbhani, Sambhajinagar, that is Nathsagar. It is also in foreign country. It gives the name that is the ornamentable fish. The fish is also cultured in big size of aquarium. That is Punctius sarana. Two species, Punctius sarana and Punctius ticto. It is useful for ornamental fish also, and it is useful for food purpose also. But in our especially Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, it is used for food purpose. And foreign country, it is used for ornamental fish. Very beautiful fish, silver in color and shade also. Two species, that is Punctius sarana and Punctius ticto. Thank you. This is the last slide. Any question you can ask me. All fishes we are observed in river Godavari from Trimbakeshwar, Nasik to the last part of our Andhra Pradesh, that is Rajmundri, Bhadrachalam and Rajmundri. We found near about 28 to 29 species, major fishes which are in the study and which are in the specialization fishery also. Every time, in the syllabus of NEP also, we are mention all these fish for the purpose of practical also and theory also. Mostly 29 plus minus species we found in river Godavari in 3 states. If you have any questions, please ask me.
Please ask any questions.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Once again,
Oh.
I thank. Sir. If you have any questions, sir, please. Can I conclude, sir? Because one responsibility is on me. I am ACS. SITMU examination is going on. That's why, if you have any question, please frankly ask me. Hello. No.
No, sir.
Okay. Special thanks to Yashundhara Chavan College, give me the opportunity for the keynote address. Thank to the principal. Especially thank to the Lakesh sir. Give me the opportunity. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks, coordinator of IQC. Once again, thank to all of you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your informative and guidance. Your speech will definitely remain helpful for zoology student to choose proper career in future. Thank you so much, Dr. Shilevar, sir. Now, I request my colleague Patil ma'am to introduce our today's next guest, Honorable Dr. Ashok Lakhe, sir. Please welcome Dr. Lakhe, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. My regards to everyone. I take this opportunity to introduce the Dr. Ashok Lakhe, sir, who has been invited for the seminar. Dr. Amol Lakhe, sir, is MSc, B.Ed and PhD. Honorable sir is currently working as a professor and head in the Department of Zoology at Rajmata Jijau Mahavidyalay, Kille Dharur. He has 28 years of experience in teaching zoology. He has made a great contribution in research and has been working in the field of research continuously from the last 24 years. He has published 36 research articles in national and international journals till this date. He has published 2 articles in edited books. He is a research guide and his 6 candidates are registered for PhD under his Nobel guidance. He has published one textbook of biochemistry and endocrinology. He is a coordinator of UGC career-oriented program in apiculture and also NSS program officer and also center coordinator YCMOU study center. He is a nodal officer NIRF, IQAC and CDC member and chairman in research committee. He has also been awarded with Dr. Bamu University as NSS Program Officer Appreciation Award for the outstanding contribution towards the NSS program for the year 2017 and 18. On behalf of college, I extend a warm welcome to such a great person in the field of zoology as the resource person of today's seminar. I hand over the responsibility hereafter to the program coordinator. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Patil ma'am. Now I request Dr. Ashok Lakhe sir to give his valuable guidance regarding to today's topic. Please welcome Dr. Lakhe sir. Please welcome sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for your nice introduction. I'm audible. I'm audible, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, the chairman of the today's webinar, Honorable Principal Dr. Shivdas Shirsat sir, keynote speaker of the today's event, and my friend Dr. Kiran Shilewar sir, Vice Principal of the Yeshwantrao Chauhan Mahavidyalaya, Ambazogai, Dr. Shinde sir, IQAC Coordinator Raj Pankhe sir, आमच्या राजमाता जिजाऊ महाविद्यालयाचे प्रभारी प्राचार्य, माजी प्रभारी प्राचार्य दीपक भारती सर हेही या वेबिनार मध्ये जॉईन आहेत. त्यांचाही मी या ठिकाणी नामोल्लेख करतो. त्याचबरोबर या वेबिनारसाठी उपस्थित असलेले भिसे सर, गोडके सर, पाटील मॅडम, माझे पूर्वाश्रमीचे सहकारी प्रकाश लोखंडे, मरकाळे सर आणि बरेच सर्वजण, आणि दुसरा महत्वाचा घटक या वेबिनारसाठी उपस्थित असलेले आणि नसलेले सर्व विद्यार्थी मित्र. हो, मी आज या वेबिनारच्या निमित्तानं जो टॉपिक सिलेक्ट केलेला आहे, द टॉपिक चूजन फॉर टुडेज डिस्कशन इज एपिकल्चर SEC स्किल एनहान्समेंट कोर्स इन NEP 2020. So all of we are aware of, all of we are know that what is NEP, National Education Policy 2020. Basically, there are a number of features are there. NEP, National Education Policy, has number of features, but one of the most important feature of this NEP, according to my opinion, is the skill based education. In Marathi it is said that कौशल्य आधारित शिक्षण, कौशल्यावर आधारित शिक्षण हा एक अत्यंत महत्वाचा गुणधर्म या राष्ट्रीय शैक्षणिक धोरणात आपल्याला दिसतो आहे. त्याची सगळी जी विशेष वैशिष्ट्य आहेत त्याच्याबद्दल मला या ठिकाणी फोकस करायचं नाही. थोडासा मध्ये जो आवाज व्हायलाय, कृपया थोडासा ठीक. तर the number of different features of this national education policy are there. One of the most important basic feature is the skill based education, or in Marathi we call it as कौशल्यावर आधारित शिक्षण. हा माझ्या दृष्टीने किंवा according to my opinion, basically the skill education is the pillar of this particular national education policy. So number of courses are included here in NEP for the study of So basically skill enhancement courses, vocational skill courses, ability enhancement courses, field projects, OJT, on-job trainings, and so on. So such important, basically the importance is given to the skill education by this particular national education policy. So the students, they have to choose, they are interested any one of the skill education, skilled subject, and they can do their career in that particular field. So the topic chosen for today's discussion is the apiculture skill enhancement course in NEP 2020. Basically, we must have to know what is apiculture, or in other words, we call it as modern beekeeping. So, the friends, apiculture or apiculture is one of the most important branch of applied zoology. Basically, the rearing of honeybees for the commercial production of honey and wax, we call it as apiculture, in which the rearing of honeybee by modern bee techniques, the rearing of honeybee can be done here, and particularly honey and wax. So basically, these two important products are obtained. So we call it as apiculture, or in other words, we call it as modern beekeeping. Regarding honeybees, on a commercial scale, is called apiculture. Crop production by their efficient services of cross pollination is also one of the important feature of this beekeeping or modern bee apiculture or modern beekeeping. Bee acts as a good pollinating agents for cultivated plants and increase the crop production. Indian economy mainly depends on the agriculture sector, so the apiculture is having vital importance. Now, it is a popular in India not only because of production of honey and wax, but also because of pollinating agents for cultivated plants and increase the yield of the crop. It is an ideal agro-based subsidiary enterprises providing supplementary major income to the people in rural areas. Beekeeping in Maharashtra. Basically, in Maharashtra, the State Khadi and Village Industries Board and Khadi and Village Industry Commission are involved in the research and extension of beekeeping. The state KVI, Khadi Village Industry Center, is located at Mahabaleshwar. The Khadi Village Industry Commission Beekeeping Research Center, located at Pune, we call it as CBRI, Central Bee Research Institute. The CBRI also educate farmers, aspirers, beekeepers, and organize short-term training programs. The CBRI also provides colonies to the farmers and to various training centers located at Pune, Latur, and Nashik, all over Maharashtra. The beekeepers' cooperative societies are established in Satara and Golapur district. The KVI board Mahabaleshwar also provides colonies to the farmers and keeping societies. Bee boxes and appliances are also provided through the KVI. In Maharashtra, more than 2,000 beekeepers are there and 4 different cooperative societies which are actively engaged in this particular modern beekeeping activity. Beekeeping for whom? Who can do this? The beekeeping, it can be the peoples who can do particularly this. The tribal peoples can do the beekeeping, modern beekeeping, hilly people, women's, children's, school and colleges, university institute, hobbyist peoples, landless laborers, and farmers can do this particular modern beekeeping, or we call it as apiculture. Why for it? Beekeeping, why? Beekeeping, it is particularly is a good practice for the medical importance. It can be also done for additional part-time income. It can be also done for attitudinal change, export potential, useful products for industrially and value-added products. Bee products like wax, royal jelly, pollen, venom, propolis, etc. Beekeeping can be also done for employment, can be also done for cross-pollination. It can also done for the food and also an excellent rural industry. Species of honeybees and their occurrence. We focus here, those particularly students, they are interested in the apiculture or modern beekeeping. So they should have to know what particular kinds of the bees are there in modern beekeeping and what kinds of different species are there. So it basically this particular knowledge is must to them. There's such types of interested students or any person can take some short training program which are conducted by CRI Pune and can enter in this particular good practice, or we call it as agriculture or beekeeping. Species of honeybee and their occurrence. There are about 20,000 kinds of honeybees are there in the nature, belongs to particularly class Insecta and order Hymenoptera. Three families are social bees and honey producing. They are Bombidi, Meliponidae, and Apidae. Apidae is the main honey producing family. Its species are very popular with beekeeping industry. One is Apis dorsata, मराठीत त्याला आग्या माशा असं म्हटलं जातं. दुसरी आहे ऍपिस इंडिका, ईस्टर्न बी म्हणतात तिला, आणि ऍपिस फ्लोरिया याला गार्डन किंवा स्मॉल पॉलिनेटिक बी अशी ही तिसरी, आणि चौथी आहे ऍपिस मेरिया वेस्टर्न बी. एक थोडक्यात दोन चार फीचर्स या प्रत्येकाचे फोकस करून आपण पुढे जाऊ. लार्जेस्ट ऍपिस डॉर्सेटा जी आहे त्याला आपण रॉक बी किंवा त्याला मराठीत आग्या असं म्हणतो. लार्जेस्ट इंडियन बी स्पेसिस नेम्ड ॲज जायंट हनी बी found all over India. It is ferocious and attacks in groups and disturbed. Attacks in groups when disturbed. जेव्हा तिला डिस्टर्ब केलं जातं तेव्हा ते अटॅक करते, आणि बरीचशी आपण अशी उदाहरणं पाहतो वर्तमानपत्रामध्ये, टीव्ही न्यूज मध्ये, की आल्यामुळं अंगावर पडल्यामुळं त्या ठिकाणी अशा प्रकारचे फेरोसिस अटॅक करतात आणि माणूस त्यांच्या पॉयझन मरतात. बिल्ड द लार्जेस्ट हाईव 6 feet लॉंग अँड 3 feet डीप. एक साधारणपणे 6 फूट लांब आणि 3 फूट डीप अशा पद्धतीचं एक हाईव्स तयार करण्याचं त्यांचं एक वैशिष्ट्य आहे. दॅट हँग फ्रॉम हाय रॉक्स अँड टॉल ट्रीज सेव्हरल ऑन सिंगल ट्रीज. 72 to 156 hives have been reported on single tree. आपण जंगलामध्ये वगैरे पाहतो मोठमोठे वृक्ष, त्या वृक्षावर साधारणपणे 72 ते 156 एवढी एक साधारणपणे त्यांची हाईव्स त्या झाडापर्यंत नोंदल्या गेलेत. म्हणजे इतक्या क्लोजली ते त्यांचं हाईव्स त्या ठिकाणी एस्टॅब्लिश करतात. दे आर गुड हनी गॅदरर्स. खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात हनी त्यांच्याकडून आपल्याला मिळतो, पण हनी कलेक्ट करण्यासाठी टेक्निशियन्स चीच गरज असते. सामान्य माणूस तो हनी आपण कलेक्ट करू शकत नाही. दे स्टार्ट देअर ड्युटीज, पर्टिक्युलरली ह्या सगळ्या मधमाशांचं वैशिष्ट्यच असं आहे की ते स्टार्ट देअर ड्युटीज अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग अँड स्टॉप देअर ड्युटीज लेट इन द इव्हनिंग. दॅन ऍपिस इंडिका. बाकीच्या ज्या आहेत त्यांच्यापेक्षा तर साधारणपणे या सगळ्यांमध्ये त्याला हे वैशिष्ट्य दिसून येतं. द ऑल हनीबीज स्टार्ट देअर ड्युटीज अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग अँड स्टॉप देअर ड्युटीज लेट इन द इव्हनिंग. Then it stores surplus honey in the front portion of the comb. It is harvested 2 to 3 times during the season by professional honey gatherers. Professional honey gatherers जे आहेत हेच फक्त ते करू शकतात. It may yield 36 kg honey per year and 1 to 2 kg of wax. साधारणपणे एका हाईव्स पासून आपल्याला 36 किलो एवढा मध मिळतो, आणि मार्केटमध्ये त्याची जर व्हॅल्यू बघितली तर त्याला मल्टिपल आहे, ऍटलिस्ट 400 रुपीज केजी पर केजी जर म्हटलं, आणि 36 केजी इतका जर एका हाईव्स पासून मिळत असेल तर त्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन किंवा नंबर ऑफ हाईव्स किंवा हाईव्स पासून आपल्याला किती हनी मिळेल ते आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. वर्कर्स आर व्हेरी स्मार्ट अँड ऍक्टिव्ह. मे पॉलिनेट यांच्यातल्या ज्या वर्कर्स बी असतात त्या बेसिकली द वर्कर bees are very smart and active. They pollinate 12,000 flowers daily. साधारणपणे एका दिवसाला 12,000 फुलांपर्यंत त्या व्हिजिट करतात, त्याचं पॉलिनेशन करतात, आणि त्या पॉलिनेशनमुळे क्रॉप यील्ड मध्ये वाढ होते. हे सगळं म्हणजे या मॉडर्न बी किपिंग किंवा हा एक जो प्राचीन अशा प्रकारचा बिझनेस आपण आहे तो आता या नवीन पुन्हा एकदा या NEP च्या माध्यमातून आपल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना अभ्यासण्यासाठी मेन्शन केलेला आहे. ॲपिकल्चरच नाही, सेरिकल्चर आहे, वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग आहे, असे फिशरी आहे. नंबर ऑफ branches are there, number of subject skill enhancement courses are there, which are included in NEP. Second type of bees are aphids. याच्यामधलं ज्या एक स्पेसिफिक अँड इम्पॉर्टंट फीचर जे आहे, द पॉइझन ऑफ द रॉक बी जे म्हटलं होतं आपण सुरुवातीला, द पॉइझन कॅन किल द मॅन. ते जर जास्त मोठ्या प्रमाणात मधमाशा अंगावर तुटून पडल्या आणि चावल्या तर त्यामुळं मनुष्याचा प्राण जाऊ शकतो. हे त्यातलं महत्वाचं या हनीबीचं वैशिष्ट्य. Second type of honeybees which are commonly used in the modern beekeeping is Apis syriana indica. In other words, it is said that Indian hive bee. It is called as Indian honeybee, found in forest and plain region of India, and is medium in size and slightly smaller than Apis dorsata. It spreads over to Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and so on. To live in dark places. अंधारमध्ये किंवा dark place मध्ये त्यांना राहण्यासाठी जागा निवडतात. Always build cones in cavities of tree trunks, rocks, or walls. They construct several parallel combs. It is only Indian species kept in artificial hives. These bees are more productive as they are good gatherers of nectars. Its honey yield is 3.6 to 4.5 kg on the hills and 1.3 to 2.2 kg on plains. म्हणजे इतक्या कमी प्रमाणामध्ये आपल्याला यांच्यापासून हनी मिळत असतो. ह्या बेसिकली दीज हनीबीज आर द चीफ पोलिनेटर्स, क्रॉप पोलिनेटर्स म्हणून काम मोठ्या प्रमाणात करतात नेचरमध्ये. मॅक्सिमम yield ओव्हर 43.6 kg ऑफ हनी ऍट द गव्हर्नमेंट बी फार्म HP हिमाचल प्रदेश हॅव बीन रिपोर्टेड. म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त एवढा रिपोर्ट त्याचा आतापर्यंत झालेला आहे की 43.6 kg हनी यापासून मिळालेला आहे या स्पेसिस पासून. द बीज आर माइल्ड अँड इझी टू हँडल. अशा पद्धतीच्या या हनी बीज आहेत. थर्ड टाईप, लास्ट बट वन, ॲपिस फ्लोरिया, ज्याला गार्डन बी म्हणतात. अगदी छोटीशी तळ हाता एवढा त्यांचा पोळ असतो. स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ ऑल बीज, सो कॉल्ड ॲज लिटिल बी और गार्डन बी, अँड ऑकर्स इन इंडिया, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Thailand, etc. Not gregarious in nature, builds single vertical comb of the size of palm. तळव्याप्रमाणे साधारणतः comb असतो. The comb hangs over from branches of bushes, hedges, caves, buildings, etc. It remains in the open and does not easily sting. जे त्यांचं अटॅकिंग नेचर नसतं एवढं. देन they are not economically important because poor gatherers of nectar and yield about half to 1 kg honey. एवढा साधारणपणे हनी यांच्यापासून मिळतो. द स्पेसिस इज व्हेरी जेंटल इन नेचर, सो इट कॅन बी डोमेस्टिकेटेड. द बीज आर ब्युटिफुल विथ व्हाईट अँड रेड बँड्स. दिसायला अगदी सुंदर अशा प्रकारच्या या मधमाशा दिसतात. त्यांच्या शरीरावर ब्युटिफुल असे व्हाईट आणि रेड बँड्स आपल्याला दिसतात. त्यामुळं अतिशय सुंदर आकर्षक अशा पद्धतीची त्यांची शरीर रचना दिसते. द क्वीन इज गोल्डन ब्राऊन इन कलर. ड्रोन्स आर ब्लॅक विथ स्मोकी ग्रे हियर्स. देर आर 2 बिलीफ्स अबाउट these bees. साधारणपणे 2 बिलीफ्स अशा दिसतात. हनी हॅज medicinal values and bee makes honey during dark night and spend it in moonlight night by breathing. आणि शेवटची स्पेसिस या मॉडर्न बीकीपिंग किंवा ॲपिकल्चर मध्ये जी म्हणजे साधारणपणे प्रॅक्टिस मध्ये आहे ती म्हणजे ॲपिस मेलिफेरा. ही अत्यंत महत्वाची अशा प्रकारची स्पेसिस आहे आणि मेजर 90% प्रॅक्टिस ही ॲपिस मेलिफेरा पासूनच केली जाते या मॉडर्न बीकिंग मध्ये किंवा ॲपिकल्चर मध्ये. इट इज फाउंड इन युरोप, आफ्रिका, USS are commonly known as European bee. असं याला ॲपिस मेलिफेराला म्हटलं जातं. इट इज सिमिलर इन हॅबिट्स टू Apis indica. Its subspecies is Apis mellifera adansoni, developed due to systematic breeding. Presently, this bees has been successfully introduced in India. It makes its nest in the concealed spaces and build parallel combs. It maintains prolific queen gentle temperament It has good nectar collecting ability. The bees can guard the hive against the enemies except wasps. The bees are more adapted to movable frame hives. Average honey yield per colony is 45 to 180 kg per year. म्हणजे एका कॉलनी पासून साधारणपणे ऍपिस मेलिफेरामध्ये 45 ते 180 किलो पर्यंत मध मिळतो. म्हणून ऍपिस मेलिफेरा इज कॉमनली युज्ड इन मॉडर्न बी कीपिंग ऍग्रिकल्चर. द बेस्ट यील्ड रेकॉर्डेड म्हणजे अतिशय उत्तम असं म्हणजे मॅक्झिमम हायेस्ट रेकॉर्ड जे झालेलं आहे या हनीचं, द बेस्ट यील्ड रेकॉर्डेड इज 453.5 kg इन USA. USA मध्ये 453 एका हाईव्ह पासून एका कॉलनी पासून एवढं मध साधारणपणे 453 किलो मध आपल्याला म्हणजे मिळाल्याचा रेकॉर्ड दाखवतो. त्यानंतर पुढे स्पेसिस ऑफ हनीबीज अँड देअर ऑकरन्स. त्या कुठं निसर्गामध्ये कुठं आढळतात त्याबद्दल आपल्याला थोडक्यात याच म्हणजे विद्यार्थ्यांना माहिती असणं गरजेचं आहे. इन साऊथ आफ्रिका इन 1949 इज रिपोर्टेड 959.1 kg yield from a multi-queen colony. The species is originally in Italy and been introduced into all countries of the world. म्हणजे जी मेलिफेरा स्पेसिस आहे ही मेलिफेरा स्पेसिस इन साऊथ आफ्रिका 1949 मध्ये ती आढळून आली आणि साधारणपणे 959.1 kg yield फ्रॉम मल्टीक्वीन कॉलनी. एक साधारणपणे मल्टीक्वीन कॉलनी जर त्याच्यामध्ये आपण इंट्रोड्यूस केली तर त्यामध्ये आपल्याला एका कॉलनी पासून 959 किलो मध मिळाल्याचं रिपोर्टिंग दाखवतं. द स्पेसिस इज ओरिजिनेटेड इन इटली अँड बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू ऑल द कंट्रीज ऑफ दी वर्ल्ड. म्हणजे सर्व संपूर्ण जगामध्ये या मेलिफेराची जी स्पेसिस आहे मेलिफेरा स्पेसिस संपूर्ण जगामध्ये साधारणपणे या मॉडर्न बी कीपिंग किंवा ज्याला ऍपिकल्चर म्हणतो त्या प्रॅक्टिस मध्ये कॉमनली इट कॅन बी युज्ड. देन बीज ऍज अ इनपुट इन ऍग्रिकल्चर. ऍग्रिकल्चर मध्ये या मॉडर्न बी कीपिंग म्हणा किंवा ऍपिकल्चर या ऍग्रिकल्चर मध्ये आपल्याला काय बेनिफिट आहे ते थोडक्यात फोकस करावं लागलेलं आहे. आणि हाऊ इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट बेसिकली ऍज अ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऍज वेल ऍज दी agriculture practice. Many of the oil seed like mustard, Niger, sunflower, safflower, etc. are cross-pollinated by the bees. या हनी बीज कडून हे क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन होणारी सगळी पिकं आहेत. पल्सेस लाईक तूर, बीन्स, फॉरेज, लेग्युम्स, व्हेजिटेबल्स लाईक द पंपकिन्स, कोकुंबर, तोंडली, रेडिश, कॅबेज, स्नेक गार्ड, बिटर गार्ड, रिच गार्ड. साधारणपणे ही सगळी जी पिकं आहेत ही पिकं या क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन मध्ये 40 ते 70% उत्पन्नामध्ये त्या पिकाच्या वाढ झालेली आपल्याला दिसून येते या क्रॉस पॉलिनेशनमुळे हनीबीच्या. अदर क्रॉप्स लाईक दी कॉटन, कॉफी etc. requires cross pollination via bees. One of the most important crop that is sunflower is more bees dependent crop for pollination. सनफ्लावर मध्ये देखील खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात उत्पन्नामध्ये वाढ झालेली दिसून येते याच्यामुळं या क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन मुळे. म्हणजे हा डुअल म्हणजे शेती उत्पन्नालाही शेती उत्पन्नामध्ये वाढ देणारा हा एक व्यवसाय आहे. आणि या मॉडर्न बीकीपिंग मुळे जे प्रामुख्यानं याचं जे आपण डोमेस्टिकेशन किंवा ज्याला आपण सुरुवातीला म्हटलं की कमर्शियल प्रोडक्शन या हनी आणि वॅक्स करण्यासाठी या ज्या रिअरिंग केल्या जाते हनी बीचं तर त्यापासून फक्त आपल्याला हनी अँड वॅक्सच हे ऑप्टेन तर बेसिकली तर मिळणारच आहे. पण इट इन्फ्लुएन्स द ऍग्रिकल्चर डिफरंट क्रॉप्स पर्टिक्युलरली बाय क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन अँड अल्टिमेटली इट improves or it increase the crop yield of the particular crop. Bees also improving the quality of seed and fruit. यांच्या या पॉलिनेशन मुळे त्या फ्रूटची क्वालिटी फॉर एक्झाम्पल जसं आता डाळिंब असेल डाळिंबाचं क्वालिटी फूड या जर हनीबीच्या पॉलिनेशन मुळे ते जर फळधारणा झाली असेल फळांना पर्टिक्युलरली त्याची क्वालिटी आणि त्याची साईज ही देखील पर्टिक्युलरली आपल्याला वाढलेली त्या हनीबीच्या पॉलिनेशन मुळे दिसून येते. हनीबीज इन्क्रीजेस द क्रॉप yield by cross pollination to a greater extent and CPRI Pune has taken experiments on the effect of the bee pollination in various crops. The results are mustard 131%. साधारणपणे मस्टर्ड मध्ये 131% त्याच्या पिकामध्ये म्हणजे क्रॉपच्या यील्ड मध्ये वाढ झालेली दिसून आलेली आहे. हे सगळा एक्सपेरिमेंट या CBRI पुणे सेंट्रल बी रिसर्च इन्स्टिट्यूट पुणे यांनी केलेला आहे. सनफ्लावर मध्ये साधारणपणे 11% क्रॉप यील्ड हे वाढलेलं त्याच्यामध्ये दिसतंय. नायजर आहे 112% आहे, ऑनियन आहे 178% आहे, कॅरोट आहे 700% आहे, ब्रिंजल 120% आणि कॉफी 83%, फ्रुट्स अदर फ्रुट्स आहेत 90% क्रॉप यील्ड प्रोडक्शन हे त्याच्यामध्ये इन्क्रीज झालेलं यामध्ये दिसतं या क्रॉप डिपॉलिनेशन मुळे. त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट वन, bees as an input to agriculture. Additional benefits काय त्याच्यामुळं या बी किपिंग मुळे किंवा मॉडर्न बी किपिंग मुळे? Bees increase the viability of seeds, embryo and plants. हे अत्यंत महत्वाचं असं गुण आहे. Viability of seeds, embryo and plants हे देखील त्याच्यामुळे वाढतं. Aromatic and more nutritious fruits are formed. Increase the vegetative mass and spreads the faster growth. Increase the number of size and seeds and yields of crops and enhance the resistance to disease and other climatic conditions, increase the fruit set and reduce the fruit drop. हे अतिशय महत्वाचा गुणधर्म आहे. अनेक शेतकरी प्रामुख्यानं डाळिंब शेती असेल किंवा पेरू असेल, शेतकरी त्रस्त असतात. त्यांच्यामध्ये साधारणपणे शेतकरी म्हणतात की फ्रूट सेट होत नाही किंवा फ्रूट ड्रॉप होतं. मग हे का होतं, तर त्याची महत्वाची जी कारणं आहेत ती ही कारणं कमी करायची असतील साधारणपणे, किंवा हे फ्रूट सेट आणि सेटिंग ऑफ फ्रूट आणि फ्रूट ड्रॉपचं जे प्रमाण आहे हे जर कमी करायचं असेल तर साधारणपणे या क्रॉस पॉलिनेशनसाठी हनीबीचा जर त्या ठिकाणी त्या प्लॉटमध्ये वापर केला तर निश्चितपणे ही समस्या क्रॉप यील्ड मध्ये वाढ झालेली दिसून येते. इन्क्रीज द ऑइल कंटेंट इन ऑइल सीड्स. या क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन किंवा या पॉलिनेटिंग एजंट जे आहेत हनीबीज यांच्यामुळे त्या प्लांट्स मध्ये साधारणपणे ऑइल कंटेंट त्या सीड्स ऑइल कंटेंट हे देखील वाढलेलं दिसून येतं. हनीबीज प्रोडक्ट्स, आता याच्यामध्ये प्रोडक्ट्स कोणकोणते, त्यामध्ये आपल्याला यू नो दॅट दी चीफ अँड बेसिक हनीबी प्रोडक्ट इज द हनी. हनी इज द मोस्ट वंडर
Lucky sir, please.
Lucky sir, please. Not audible or not visible. Lucky sir.
Please unmute yourself, sir.
हा.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
आवाज येतो का?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So with this, I conclude my this particular speech. So I am very much thankful to Honorable Principal Dr. Shivdas Shat sir for inviting me to share my this views regarding the apiculture as a skill enhancement course in NEP 2020. So thanks one and all. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It is a nice information about apiculture and skill enhancement in NAP 2020. For your informative and guidance, your speech will definitely remain helpful for zoology student to choose proper career in future. Thank you, sir. It is my privilege and honor to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to our respected speaker, Dr. Kiran Shilewar sir and Dr. Ashok Lakhe sir for their inspiring and motivating words for us. I, along with my department, am truly grateful and thankful our principal for his continuous guidance and motivations. I would also thank Dr. Ramesh Shinde sir, Vice Principal of our college. I would also thank all the participants joining this seminar and helping us to make this event successful. With the permission of our respected principal, Dr. Shuda Sidsat sir, I announce the seminar is over now. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of us. Thank you.